Hello and welcome to the installation video of Qubo 4K Dual Dashcam in S-Cross. First, let us do the unboxing and check what all are available in the package. We have the 4K front cam, full HD rear cam, front cam mount, transparent sticker for pasting rear cam, wiring harness for both cams, a 12-volt USB charger, a prying tool, and a QR code for downloading the Qubo Pro application. Let us first get an idea of the wiring to be done. We will be fixing the front cam here. Its wire will be drawn this way, over the roof, then through the A-pillar, then down the dashboard, behind the glove box, and finally to the 12-volt cigarette lighter holder here. The wiring for the rear cam obviously starts from the front cam, through the same route, crossing the A-pillar, extends through the top of front door, passing the B-pillar, over the top of rear door, then the C-pillar, and finally reaches here. Some people directly put the wire hanging here and install the cam on the windshield. Let us try a cleaner and safer way by taking the wire through this flexible hose. Then draw inside up to this notch here. That way it will look clean and professional. Before installing, let us check both the cams. Here goes the front one. Insert the power cable from the 12-volt charger port and see, it is switching on. Yes, here is the front cam visual. Now it's the turn of the rear cam. Let us connect it. One end of the cable to the rear cam and other end to the front cam, which is the host. Yes, now we can see the rear cam visual here. It has a 360 rotatable construction so that it can be used for in-cabin surveillance as well, if anyone desires so. There is a flip switch also for the convenience of flipping the visuals. Now comes the real installation part. To start with, let us fix the place here for pasting the front cam behind the rear view mirror so as to avoid blocking our view. We can affix the special holder like this. And by pressing this lever up, it will be firmly locked. See, it is very strong and no worries of falling down at all. Attach the cam, adjust it, and lock it by tightening this nut here. Now let us draw the wire. Let us remove this press and lock type A pillar cover. The glove box also can be easily removed by pulling it upwards evenly with both hands underneath, like this. Safely remove it and keep it aside. Let us remove this part also. Now let us fix the rear cam, a slight deviation from our planning at the beginning. We will start the rear cam wiring from backside to front. This is because we can very conveniently tie up the extra stretch of wire behind the glove box, else we have the only option of leaving it over the ceiling. There is a chance of getting unwanted noise if we just leave the bunch of wire over the ceiling. Let us use a guide wire to lead the wire through the flexible hose. Now the next stretch is through the inside of the boot door. Here also a guide wire will come handy. Now let us fix the rear cam. Let us paste it after checking the visuals over the screen first. Take care of these defogger lines from appearing in front of the lens. Position it after confirming the visuals correctly. Here goes the safety paper, and fix the camera tightly. They have provided a transparent sticker, which we had seen during unboxing. If you are very particular, first to fix it, and over that fix the cam, right? Okay, now let us take this wire to the front. Here it goes. Now we will do this front portion. And leave the excess wire down through the A-pillar. We will tie up both the excess wire portions behind the glove box conveniently. Don't forget to use wire ties to neatly organize the wires, even though it is invisible inside the A-pillar. Finally, close the A-pillar cover and then fit the glove back. The installation and wiring is over. Let us have a final check of visuals of both cams. Now download the Qubo Pro application from Play Store for Android device and from App Store for Apple device. Do the initial sign-up formalities and select the type of cam. In this case, it is 4K Dashcam. The default password for Qubo Wi-Fi hotspot is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to change it to your own when prompted and connect phone to it to access the device from phone wirelessly. Finally, insert the SD card correctly. After a mandatory formatting, everything is set and your Qubo Dashcam is ready for use. It starts recording automatically every time you switch on your vehicle. You may do all necessary settings from the phone or through the device menu. Finally, a beautiful sticker on your windshield. Courtesy to Dashcaminsider-in, your favorite multi-brand dashcam portal. This is Rachel, from the world of AI, signing off. Have a nice day.